All right, Jake, this is a review for your quiz. Ooh, quiz. All right, so here we go. The first thing we got to do, list the multiple in order. Find the least, that's the key word, least common multiple, LCM. We learned that in the last class. So it's asking you to find the multiples of 3, the multiples of 4, and then in this box, write the least common denominator. Multiple. Multiple. Least common multiple. So here we go. We're going to do a quick example of the least common multiple. Okay, so we're going to do the number 2 and the number 6. We're going to figure out which one's the least common multiple. So we're going to multiply this 2 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16. And this one we're going to do 6, 12, 18, 24. I think it's partial. So the least common multiple is 6. Oh yeah. Look, you see the eyes? Hey, we're going to color them. It's a guy. See the eyes of the guy? He's got glasses. And then we're going to put a nose and a smile. And then guess what? So going back to here, what you're going to do here is you're going to do 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Then for the 4, and you're going to write the least common multiple for this one, then this one, then that one, then that one. Hopefully that went okay. Now let's take a look at the next one. This is preparing you for your quiz, so I think you have to do it. On here is asking you to list in order the multiples of 7. So count by sevens. I'm going to give you the first one, 7. And the next one's 14. And then go. And then you're done. On this one, it says review. Change the improper fractions. So try to remember improper fractions, and I'll give you some examples in just a minute, but try to remember the improper fractions and why they're improper fractions. Then you're going to have to change them. And we're back with a funny guy. But now we're going to go into improper fractions. So let's look at, let's do 18 divided by 7, and we're going to change the improper fraction. So the easiest way to look at this is how many times does 7 fit into 18? The only way to do that is you would have to take the top and divide by the bottom. So we're going to divide 18 divided into 7. Well, I think 2 is going to be the magic number here. 7 times 2 is 14, so we're going to write 14. That's a minus. That leaves us with 4. And you can't do any more on here. We can't fit any more 7s into a 4, so the answer is going to be, I'm going to bring this down, so 2, and then 4 over 7. So 2, 4, 7, whoops, would be your answer there. So you want to do the same things with this one. Notice that instead of 18 is 13. So we'll do the first one together. So your problem is 13 divided over 7. So how many times does 7 fit into 13? And for that we divide. So 13 divided by 7. It's 1 shy of 14, so only 1. 7 times 1, 7. A little minus there. That is 6. 13 minus 7 equals 6. So then we go, bring this down. That's 1, and then 6 over 7. So your answer is 1/6/7. So I gave you the first one of your first of your first problem. This is the answer. But now you gotta do, you could write it in there. That's the answer for that. But then you're gonna do this one, and that one, and the big one. So, how did it go? I'm pretty sure you got them all right. Now we're gonna go into solving some word problems. This is not on your quiz from what I'm seeing because I'm looking at your quiz, but it will help you with what's coming on the quiz. So let's take a look at them together. All right, Jake. So we're going to look at example C. So it says Michael Faraday, not fart, Faraday, not fart day. An English scientist believed that studying science teaches us more about God. Faraday conducted the scientific studies for 54 years. So he did this study was studying one thing for 54 years at the Royal Institution in London. One day we'll go to London. Circle the numbers 54 in a multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what they're asking you to do is to multiply by 2s, by 3s, by 4s, by 5s, by 6, by 7s, by 8s, and by 9s. So you got a whole bunch of blanks all through here. So you would do something like this, right? Until you get to multiple 54, and they're wanting you to circle it. So I believe you know how to multiply by 2s, by 3s, by 4s, by 5s, by 6, 7s, 8s, 9s. So I think you will be okay. That's a good practice though. Let's do this one. I'm going to pick an easy one. Let's do the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 52, 54. All right, 54 and 54. Now, it's your turn to do the rest. So, did you get them all? Which ones were the ones that possibly did not have a 54? You know? Okay, then I think you got them. Now we're going to go into some addition. So these are very, very big numbers. And now you got some fractions. I taught you how to add the fractions last time. Remember, look, same denominator. So you add the top, all right? So remember that. Now in here, there's another one. Look, same denominator. So you got it. And then just adding, make sure you look at them, take some time, slow down, and then take some time to look at them. We're gonna do one big one. Let's do 3,426 plus 7,174 plus 22,391. That's a big one. So remember, 6 plus 4, that would be 10, plus 1, 11. Caught me there. So 11, and you have 1 here, and then 1 there. 7, and then we do 9, 10, plus, keep going, so that'd be 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm doing those in my head, but you can use your fingers. You carry 1. So 4, 5, plus 3 is 8, and 1 is 9. We don't carry any. 7, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12,991. That's an example of how you're going to do these up here. Don't forget to put your periods. I always forget to put my periods. Don't forget to do that. Now we're going to subtract. Now, we got some dollars here. and some fractions here. So again, the bottom one stays the same. If you remember, just bump bump, and then just subtract the tops. Same thing here. Bottom one stays the same, just the top, and then the side. And same thing here. Now it says write each remainder fraction. Reduce the fraction if necessary. So 1 divided by 9 of 30, and you would answer 1/6 of 43. You would answer 1/8 of 54. You would answer. We're almost done with this review. Mark under the linear measures. So you're going to mark those. And then the last step is solve. 77 days equals how many weeks? So you got to know how many days are in a week. And then you would divide, right? Divide this by that, and then multiply this by that. And that concludes your quiz. Well, not the quiz, but the actual review. If you have questions, ask Mom. She'll be happy to help you.
Are you ready for the quiz?
Yes. Well, if you're ready for the quiz, tell your mom. This should take you maybe about 30 minutes to go through it all, maybe a little more, and then you can knock out the quiz. I think the quiz is going to be pretty easy. I think you got it. You want to look at the quiz? Should I show you the quiz? There's the quiz. Can you read the quiz? Look, ooh, quiz, ooh, quiz, ooh, quiz. I love you, Jacob. Have a good day.